Quick question. Have you ever wanted to export your Gemini chat, including text, formulas, tables, and images, into a clean document? This extension lets you export your Gemini chat in one click. To Google Docs, Microsoft Word, PDF, or Notion. First, let's export the entire conversation to PDF. Now look at that. Everything comes out clean and organized. The text, the formulas, the tables, the images, all ready to share. But what if you only want to export part of the conversation? Just click the checkboxes. Select the exact messages you want. And export that option in any format you want, for example, Notion. Boom! Now your selected Gemini content is in Notion. Nicely structured and easy to keep. And here's my favorite part. You can customize the output before exporting. Click the gear icon. Go to Advanced. Choose your font. Set the font size you want. And change the text color. Make it look exactly the way you want. Then export it to Word. And there it is, a clean, editable Word document, styled exactly the way you set it up. And if you work with ChatGPT too, there's a similar extension called Export ChatGPT Conversation.